Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PACD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. And I will say that this is a very bizarre chart going forward because it made a great move up and then it had a very nasty pullback, but it's not like it was a total crash. Because I mean, yeah, from where it was to where it closed, big pullback. But like I said, the price does still actually have an opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So it's one of those situations where if you're kind of saying, well, I don't know, is this chart bullish? Is it bearish? I'm not quite sure. Well, the level that, helps me kind of visualize what's going on here is down at the 55-cent mark. And why is 55 cents important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but one scenario is maybe this pullback continues, comes down to that area, and then just continues on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, you would have a situation where now all of a sudden the price has gone back inside of this range, which it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true health, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, because no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, but it behaves in that manner. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, at least at that point, you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see a price do. You want to see it make progress. So in my mind, 55 cents, it's kind of like a dictionary. It's helping us define the situation, meaning is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was, that being associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress going forward, that associated with bullishness? So a whole lot of people, for these reasons, going to be watching that 55-cent mark going forward. So yeah, really the big question is the price going to continue to make progress, or is the price headed right back to where it was? First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.